So I saw Mr. Fazle Amin, who was a young gentleman from Bangladesh, and he was suffering from a lot of back pain and leg pains, and he had started developing some weakness in the legs. So on investigation, we found that he had a large myxopapillary ependymoma in the conus region, and it was covering over 3 to 4 segments. So we decided to operate him, and he was a young athletic sports person. So we decided not to do a laminectomy, which is a traditional procedure, but we did a laminoplasty in which we cut open the bone and replaced it back after removing the tumor. So we were able to remove the tumor completely, and he did pretty well after surgery, and he can be back to normal life very soon. And because we replaced his bone also back, so his spine will continue to remain normal, and he can play active sports in near future.
I am Fazle Amin from Bangladesh. From 5 or 6 months, I was suffering from severe back pain. Then I went to Bangladesh, the Bangladeshi doctor, and tested the MRI. And as per the report, I had a tumor, big tumor, and a problem of pleat in the discs. Then I searched the best neurosurgeon of India. I got the name of Sandip Basho, and I decided to come. Last month I came to Sandip Basho, and he decided to surgery, but as per the report, whole tumor was not whole tumor cannot be removed. When I meet Dr. Sandip Basho, as per report of Bangladesh and India, it was difficult to remove whole tumor. It was easy to remove tumor 80%, and 20% tumor remove is very difficult. It is impossible, likely impossible. But when he starts surgery, he is able to remove total 100% tumor. It was a miracle, and for this my life is riskless now, and he is just awesome. In one word, he is a magician. I am so grateful to him.
So as we were able to excise the tumor completely, the patient will not require any radiotherapy, which could be in normal course if the tumor was not removed completely. And I'm glad that he came to Fortis Memorial Research Institute, because this is one of the most advanced center for neurosurgery in the country, and among the Fortis group, this is the most advanced center. And this is equipped with all possible latest technologies, and we are treating all sort of diseases.